Hey friends, let's talk about this compact size ironing board that is very perfect for small spaces. So whether you're in an apartment or you just need something compact size to fit in a small space, this really solves the problem. In fact, we'll close it in just a second to see just how compact size it gets, but I thought I would leave it open at first so you can see what it looks like. We'll talk about some of the features. So one thing about this that I really love is the iron holder. It fits a normal size iron right on there. Super useful. So whenever you are ironing, just grab it, your thing, put it right back on. It also saves you from putting it on the ground and possibly burning something because unfortunately that does happen. So you might be wondering, okay, it's small. Can I really iron my clothes on this? Yes, you can. It's a fully functioning ironing board. So throw your clothes right on there, iron it, move it down, iron, and you're done. Very useful. It works great. I love that it can fit on a tabletop. You can even put it on your bed if you need to. Set it on the floor, whatever you need. It's small. It works great. We really love it. So we can go ahead and close it and see just how compact size it gets. Now, I'll be honest, it takes a little bit of an effort to pop these out of their slots. I don't mind it though. It just means that they're in there nice and secure. Pop it back in. We pull this pin here to unlock it. And there you go. Guys, look at it. Honestly, I think it's cute. It is very small, so easy to store. We personally have to put it in between two cabinets. You can easily slide this under a bed, store it up in a cabinet, whatever it may be. It's small, easy to fit almost anywhere. Like I said, it's fully functioning. It's been very useful to have around the house. Not to mention, it's cute. So we love it, and I do recommend it.